Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back after a very long break, but it is the holiday times and I want to show you guys how to make these super delicious, perfect chocolate chip cookies. And I mean perfect, crispy edges and gooey center, perfection. So, yes, I have been gone for a while, but I've been doing so many exciting things like opening my first yoga studio, and I am going to say first because I hope that I get to open 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 yoga studios. But so far I have my one yoga studio. I finally have a home for neuro yoga and it is so exciting and fulfilling. I absolutely love it, and every single night I come home and I'm so grateful to have a space for people to come and practice safe, very safe yoga, and to take a moment to, kind of let go of all the craziness that's going all around and come within and discover that everything that you are looking for and everything that you want is already within you. So with that, you guys, let's get started with these super delicious chocolate chip cookies. And of course they are plant-based and super easy to make. I kind of have everything all unorganized here, but you want to have 2 1/3 cups of flour, just like this. You're going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. The chocolate chip cookies are like sweet and salty. So good. And I'm not just saying that. I've had people taste them and they are like, wow, these are delicious. And that's the reason why I am making this video. But so mix that and set it aside. Now we are going to make the wet ingredients. So we're going to do a half a cup of coconut oil, just like this. It should be not too hard, but also solid. So half a cup. And you know that coconut oil has medium chain triglycerides, so it is the good type of fat for you. You want to have this. So put that in, and then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. I use that Thai coconut milk because it's a little bit thicker. So put that in. So this is 1/4 cup of the coconut milk and half a cup of the coconut oil. You're going to do 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, straight in there. I like using, I think it's called Brittany's applesauce. It gives it a thicker consistency. It's not as runny, so that's the one I use, but any applesauce will work. It's 1/4 cup. Then you want to have 1 cup of light brown sugar. I use light brown sugar because it makes a nice contrast with the chocolate chips, but you really can use dark brown sugar if you want to. But there you go, 1 cup. You're going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I said 2, but just it's a tiny extra. And now mix all this together. You can use a mixer. I think people traditionally would use a mixer. I don't use a mixer even though I have one, because I make these cookies a lot when my kids are sleeping and I don't want to wake them up. So you can use a mixer, but you don't necessarily have to. Alright, once everything is mixed together, you can go ahead and start adding the flour mixture into the wet bowl. Just little by little here. And mix. have a nice cookie dough right there. We're going to add the best part. I'm going to do 1 cup of chocolate chips. I use this, the Bake Believe. They're so good. They're vegan. They're amazing. 1 cup straight in there. You can do more chocolate chip if you want to, but I love chocolate, but I also like the flavor of just the cookie. Okay, give it a good mix, and that is literally it. You guys, like at this point, you can eat it like this. You know how people like to eat cookie dough, but you really can't because it has eggs and that's disgusting? You can eat this and you're not gonna get sick. You could just eat it like this. And if you freeze it into little bite-sized pieces and put it in your ice cream, so delicious. But anyways, we're gonna bake them so we can make cookies. So I forgot to say the oven should be pre-baking already. It's heated to 375 degrees, and in 9 minutes we're gonna have cookies. I like to use a ice cream scooper to give you a nice big cookie, because who doesn't like a chocolate chip cookie? So you don't want to have like teeny tiny chocolate chip cookies. You want nice big chocolate chip cookies. Alright, that looks about good. I know that these little mats are supposed to help you measure your cookies. I don't really pay attention to it, but I kind of feel like this will be good. This looks good. I feel good about it. So it's ready to put into the oven at 375 degrees for 9 minutes. That's it, 9 minutes. Perfect. After you take your cookies out of the oven, you want to let them cool before you transfer them onto a wire rack. So we'll let them cool. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. The cookies are cool. You can take a little spatula, transfer them onto a wire rack. Oh my gosh, they smell delicious, and you can feel the crispy edges. So good. Alright, cookies are ready. And then you can go ahead and put your second batch into the oven. Or if you want to put this in the refrigerator and just have cookie dough bites whenever you feel like it, you can also do that. Or you can just eat it just like this, because it is so delicious. I know I keep saying it, but it's because I really want you to try it, because it's that good. All right. There you go, you guys. Perfect chocolate chip cookies. Perfect to have 365 days of the year. But of course, this is the holidays, so we're going to add a little special touch. We're going to add a little bit of gold to our cookies. So gold leaf is kind of hard to use. I feel like it crumples up very fast. But you just want to add just like a little touch of it. And I have found that when you use your finger to kind of like spread it around, it looks like better on the cookie. And it's just, you don't want the whole cookie to look too gold. It's just kind of like a touch, like kissed by gold. There you go, just a little bit of gold. I think it's a very nice subtle touch for the holidays, and lets people know that you are really thinking and caring about them. But of course, the number one thing that's going to let them know that you care about them is that you bake them some good for them cookies. Goodish, better than the egg and butter cookies. So then you can transfer them onto a plate. And there you have it. Seriously addicting, seriously delicious, and perfect for the holidays. I hope that you guys try out the cookies. If you do, please let me know what you think about them. I hope that you share them with friends, family, and the people that you can be near. I know this time of year can be sad for many, and especially we are still in a pandemic. But, you know, let's try to see the positive, try to stay connected, and I think cookies is always a good way to be connected. I feel like I can talk forever and keep rambling because I have not been here with you guys for so long, but I'm gonna end it here. Please, if you do try the cookies, let me know, tag me, and please subscribe, like, and share my videos, please. I would appreciate it so very much, and I will see you on the next one.